Good day, everyone. My name is Noel Taladro, and my topic is all about population growth. Population growth, raising awareness among people. So, Earth, the most beautiful place that we all know, the place of life, existence of good happenings, and extraordinary experiences. But it's about to deteriorate because of us. Yes, we as humans, because of our harmful activities, our harmful doings. Pollution, deforestation, and even overpopulation are the leading causes of problems what our world is facing right now. So by the way, what is population? Population refers to the total number of people inhabiting an area, a region, or a country. It is these people who use resources of a nation, produce goods and services, helps to develop its economy and society, and create the social and cultural environment. Now, as, as far as you know, the current world population is 7.8 billion as of October 2020, according to the most recent United Nations estimate elaborated by Worldometer. So, as you can see, 7.8 billion. Ingana ta kadaghan karon. Now, according on some surveys and the data gathered from the internet, the five most populous countries in the year 2019-2020 are China, India, followed by the European Union, which is not a country, the United States, the island nation of Indonesia, and Pakistan. Now, it is stated also there that Vatican City has the lowest population with a population of around 1,000 people as per 2017 data. Now, I will discuss to you the causes of overpopulation. Here are the leading causes of overpopulation. So, number one is poverty. Okay, poverty. Poverty is believed to be the leading cause of overpopulation. A lack of educational resources coupled with high death rates leading to higher birth rates result in impoverished areas seeing large booms in population. So, talk about poverty, it means inability to fulfill basic requirements in life such as food. Basic na ng food, di ba? Ang clothing, ang shelter, ang health, o lastly ang education, di ba? Muna sila. Di na sila ma-fulfill basta poverty nga na. The next one is the poor contraceptive use. Through the availability of contraceptives is widespread in developed countries, poor planning on both partners' parts can lead to unexpected pregnancies. So it's stated there na poor planning on both partners' parts can lead to unexpected pregnancies. So what does it mean? I mean, that is why nowadays most teenagers, mostly sa teenagers, are forced to be married because they're pregnant, di ba? They are forced to be married at their early age because pregnant sila, and to secure also the future of the child. Muna na kasagaran na itaboran mostly sa crime sa ato. So the third one is the child labor. Kasi child labor is a global issue that prevents children from fulfilling their potential. Child labor is a violation of children's rights. The work can harm them mentally or physically, expose them to hazardous situations, or stop them from going to school. So in Philippines, I think, I don't know lang if wa nakita sa Philippines nga ni. So in child labor, you are killing their dreams naman. You are killing the child's dreams, di ba? You are killing their dream. You are forcing your child to work, to earn money, to gain money, instead of sending them to school while holding a pen and a notebook or a paper. You are exposing them under the heat of the sun. Diba? Which is really bad. Because they are children. Diba? So next Next one is the lack of family planning. Okay, most developing nations have a large number of people who are illiterate, how live below the poverty line, have little or no knowledge about family planning. Besides, getting their children married at an early age increases the chances of producing more kids. And pact of quality education prompts them to avoid family planning. Okay, okay. This issue also is the reason why we are overpopulated. Also, this is the reason why abortion exists. Panganak ka ng panganak, but you don't have a stable job. 'Di ba? Panganak ng pananganak, produce ka ng baby, but you don't have the job, or you don't have a stable job, or your salary is not enough para sa araw-araw na pangangailangan. 'Di ba? So, should be family planning, or both partners have already a job, 'di ba? So, in short, aral muna bago landi. Okay, so the effects of overpopulation. Okay, the number one is lack of food, and the number two is lack of water. Is widespread condition in which a large percentage of people in country or region have little access of adequate food supplies. Overpopulation creates greater demand on the world's freshwater supplies, as only roughly 1% of the world's water is fresh and accessible. This creates a major issue. Yeah. So lack of food and water. Due to overpopulation, we don't have enough sources of foods. Kasi sa dami ng tao sa mundo, kulang ang supply ng palay, 'di ba? At pati na rin sa tubig. And speaking of water, we should make sure that it's clean and safe to drink para iwas sa sakit. Because we really don't know the water we intake is safe or not. Because lately lang, I experienced that one. I buy ice water, and then without any hesitations, I drink it, and then the result is I have a stomach and LBM, and it's very no. So that's why I include this one. It's make sure that your water is safe and clean. So when we talk about yes, when we are overpopulated naman kasi, and hindi na safe yung tubig, at yung tubig kasi ang dami ng basurang nakatambak kung saan-saan, 'di ba? So, the third one is malnutrition. Malnutrition is a broad term which refers to both undernutrition and overnutrition. Malnutrition can be defined as the insufficient, excessive, or imbalanced consumption of nutrients, or according to World Health Organization, malnutrition is the greatest single threat to global public health. So, due to overpopulation, the malnutrition occurs. It occurs when our body doesn't get enough nutrients. The best way to prevent malnutrition is to eat variety of healthy foods. Of course, to eat variety of healthy foods, so that marami din tayong masagap na bitamina sa ating katawan, which is very helpful to our health, or sa atong kalusugan. Diba? And the next one is unemployment. Kawalan ng trabaho. When a country becomes overpopulated, it gives rise to unemployment, as there are fewer jobs to support a large number of people. The rise is unemployment gives rise to crime, of course, such as theft. Pag ginawang trabaho is pagnanakaw na lang, as people want to feed para maibsan yung gutom ng kanilang pamilya. So ginawa nilang trabaho pagnanakaw para maibsan ang gutom ng kanilang pamilya, which is really bad. Okay, unemployment rises when we are overpopulated. That's why thieves exist, especially in the city or in the crowded area, because they think that that's the only way na they will survive. And ginawa nilang trabaho ang pagnakaw na lang, without even knowing na mali to. Kailangan kong magtrabaho, kailangan kong magsumika para mabuhay yung pamilya ko. 'Di ba? Which is really bad, kasi nagsisikap din yung tao pero nanakawin mo. 'Di ba? Which is not really good. Okay. And these are the incredible solutions to overpopulation. So number one is better education. Educating the masses helps them understand the need to have one or two children at most. Okay? Dapat kasi, so better education to kontrolado na lahat. I mean, better education. Kasi according to Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. Diba? Nelson Mandela ba siguro yun? Oh, pero I'm not sure. Pero siguro si Nelson Mandela yan. So, then number two is knowledge of sex education. I don't know why I include this one, pero I think helpful din to. Imparting sex education to young kids at the elementary level should be a must. I don't need to explain because it's very understandable. Same to this, making aware of family planning. As the population of this world is growing at a rapid pace, raising awareness among people regarding family planning and letting them know about serious after effects of overpopulation can help curb population growth. Yes, family planning is the most important thing before you engage in married, 'di ba? Before ka magpakasal or before you, yeah, ganun. Family planning is the most important thing. You should learn how to plan a family. Hindi yung produce ka ng produce pero wala kang stable job, or produce ka ng produce ng baby pero yung salary mo is not enough. So I include this video also. So I hope na you learned so much in my reports na. So since napada. So we are stranded on an island. It is called Earth. We must preserve and give value of our planet. Don't be too abusive. We humans are just temporary in this world. Please don't forget that.